Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Karnataka on Monday and Tuesday to inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of multiple rail and road infrastructure projects worth over Rs 27 crore in Bengaluru, said a press release. Prime Minister will visit the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru on June 20th, where he will inaugurate the Centre for Brain Research and will lay the foundation stone of Bagchi Parathasarathi Multi-Speciality Hospital. Added the statement, he will visit Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School of Economics tomorrow, Bengaluru, where he will inaugurate the new campus of BASE University and unveil the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He will also dedicate to the nation 150 technology hubs that have been developed by transforming industrial training institutes in Karnataka. Thereafter, the Prime Minister will reach Komaghatta in Bengaluru, where he will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of multiple rail and road infrastructure projects.